You're giving mushroom to the bird? Say good morning, bird. Yeah, let's play. Get my bucket. Get my yellow bucket. Let's play. I have my yellow bucket.
There we go. That's my bucket.
That's my bucket.
That is my bucket.
Okay, that's your bucket. This is your bucket. This is my bucket. My bucket is empty.
Oh no, we need some too.
I need some mushroom. Put the mushroom on my bucket. Thank you.
There can be the fish.
Yeah.
Daddy, come back down.
There. They're up there. On the tree. Hi. Toot toot. Toot.
Yay!
Toot.
Yay!
Toot 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 toot. Hey. Oh, they stopped. Oh, that's your bucket.
This is my stick.
Oh, you have a stick. Well, let's find some worms and ants and what else?
Mama, I don't like it.
You don't like it? I love the worms. Oh, I found a bird. Hi.
I want a bit.
Hi. Hi.
No way!
Say hi, my friend.
He's spotted.
Oh, what's that?
That sounds smarter.
That's the worm. The birds love to eat worm. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Are you wearing my lipstick? Yay! There's the bird up there. Tweet,
Meekah!
tweet, 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 tweet. There. Tweet, tweet. There on the tree top. There. There.
Where's another bit? There!
There. Hi. Yeah, they want to eat worms. That's their breakfast.
Mama, look. Thank you.
Wait, can we check if we have worms? Dig, 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 dig. Worms, are you here? No. Are you here? No. Are you here? No. No worms. There, one bird. There. Up there. There on the roof.
Hey! Up there!
There. See? They heard you're looking for a worm. There, up there. Bye bye.
Bye bye bye.
Bye bye birds. Bye. There. Up there. Another one there flying. Yay. Good morning. Morning, morning. Yeah, they're looking for breakfast. Breakfast. They love worms. Come here, not there. Oh, are you looking for some worms? Can we check your bucket? What's in there?
Yes.
Oh,
It's dig.
let's dig some worm.
No? It's the bottom.
Oh, Take some paso. Oh, can we fix your swimming pool? This is your swimming pool. A crab. It's still wet. Yeah. We can put water and you can swim. Or we can put some sand. No, just water and you. Huh? What? Oh, it's a crab. Look, can we check if the eyes are open? Oh, it's a big, big eyes. Look at the crab. Look at the eyes. 1, 2. Oh, there's a hole. Oh no. It's dripping.
We need your bucket.
Okay, go get my bucket. Go get my bucket. Bring my bucket. Oh. Oh no, it's dripping. You want me to put some water later? Tiffany? We'll put some water here. We clean this one and you wanna swim? No thanks?
And me and James.
Oh, you and me. Okay. But it's still cold. Families, yeah. Do we fit there? It's small. Just you and me.
You and Mama.
Oh, yeah.
You can fit there. I can fit there.
Come here. Can we check this bird feeder? We have one here. We can put some seeds.
Seeds for the bird.
Yeah. We can put some seeds and the bird will come and have some fun. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's close.
It's close. This is for small birds. Mm-hmm.
Mouse birds and Papa's birds.
Look,
That's
there's a bird. Bird there. Wow. And another there.
another there.
Another there.
Oh no, that's break.
Oh, it's broken? Yeah, it's old. Ding, 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 ding. See, the bird can hear and... Oh, it's broken. Bye, bird.
Where's my stick?
You go find your stick. Let's go find your stick. Bye, birds.